Welcome to 5 Minutes 5 Ideas. I'm your host Samanvay. Today we're going to talk about 5 uses of AI in art. The first use of AI in art is to create paintings. An AI algorithm called GAN does just this. It consists of two parts. The first is the generator and the second is the discriminator. So the generator's responsibility is to create random objects to try to fool the discriminator, which compares the output to samples of real paintings. And this creates a feedback loop, which trains the generator to produce images that resemble very closely to existing art. GANs have become so complex that they can create art which is indistinguishable from real art. The second use of AI in art is to create music. In 2014, a company called Amper launched the first AI composer. You would tell the composer what mood of music you wanted along with the style and the length. It would compose your song using real sounds and it would allow you to customize it as you see fit. In 2019, an artist by the name of Taryn Southern launched the world's first music album in collaboration with an AI. The title was I Am AI. The third use of AI in art is to create literature. A scientist by the name of Ross Goodwin recently created an algorithm that could write film scripts. Using the algorithm, the world's first film made by an AI was released in 2016 by the name of Sunspring. Meanwhile, a scientist at Madrid taught an algorithm by the name of WASP how to write poems after feeding it different sonnets from Spain's golden age. The fourth use of AI in art is for dancing. In 2019, Google collaborated with world-renowned choreographer Wayne McGregor to create an AI algorithm that could choreograph dance moves on the fly. So Google started off by curating a database of all of McGregor's previous work, and it slowly fed that to the AI algorithm, which learned to analyze each of the dance moves. This allowed the AI algorithm to be used in real time and suggest moves to dancers. So in the future, we could definitely see AI algorithms choreographing an entire dance performance by themselves. The fifth use of AI in art is for cooking. IBM has an AI algorithm by the name of Chef Watson, which has analyzed over 9,000 recipes from the Bon Appetit magazine, which is a popular cooking magazine. As a result of this analysis, the algorithm is able to suggest you 4 ingredients that mix well together. Alternatively, you could also tell it exactly what cuisine you want to cook, and it'll give you a set of ingredients that'll pair well with that cuisine. That wraps up 5 uses of AI in art. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.